Hello, welcome back to the Senior 1 Mathematics class. We are looking at odd numbers, and by definition, we have said an odd number is a number for which 2 is not a factor. And in other words, it is a number that cannot exactly be divided by 2. So, when we look at example 5, it is telling us to list down the odd numbers from 90 to 100. And to begin with, we normally start by listing all the natural numbers from 90 to 100, and then we look for the odd numbers in that set. So we shall say here natural numbers that run from 90 to 100. So since it is said from 90 to 100, we shall begin from 90 up to 100. 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So these are the natural numbers from 90 to 100. So of these numbers, which ones are odd? That takes us to odd numbers. And what we simply do here is we try to divide each of these numbers by 2. If there is no remainder, it is an even number. If there is a remainder, it is an odd number, and therefore we shall include it in that set. So 90 divided by 2 is 45, and there is no remainder. Therefore, 90 is even. So 91 is odd, 92 is even, 93 is odd, 94 is even, 95 is odd, 96 is even, 97 is odd, 98 is even, 99 is odd, and then 100 is even. So we simply try to divide them by 2. If there is a remainder, it is an odd number. And all of those numbers there, if you divide them by 2, you find that there is a remainder in each of the cases above. So, going to example B, is saying from 121 to 128. What is the first step here? The first step here is for us to list the natural numbers from 121 to 128. Natural numbers. That becomes 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, and then 128. Those are the natural numbers from 121 to 120. So 121 divided by 2, we get 60, and the remainder is 1. Since there is a remainder, 121 is odd. 122 divided by 2, we get 61, and the remainder is 0. Since there is no remainder, 122 is an even number. 123 is therefore odd. 124 is even. 125 is odd. 126 is even. 127 is odd. And then 128 is even. So these are the odd numbers that we can identify in that range from 121 to 128 inclusive. Going to part C, which is from 201 to 209. So let us first get the numbers, or the natural numbers that run from 201 to 209. That means we shall begin from 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, and then finally 209. Those are the natural numbers from 201 to 209. What next? We are going to look for numbers for which 2 is not a factor. That means we are going to look for odd numbers here. Sorry for that. Odd numbers. Those numbers that we cannot exactly divide by 2. Or if we attempt to divide by 2, there is a remainder greater than 0. So 201 divided by 2 you get 100, and then there is a remainder of 1. Therefore, 201 is an odd number. 202 divided by 2, you get 101, and the remainder is 0. Therefore, 202 is an even number. So it keeps on alternating, even, odd, even, odd. So 203 is odd, 204 is even, 205 is odd, 206 is even, 207 is odd, 208 is even, then 209 is odd. So this is the solution to example 5. Thank you.